This conversion kit bundles a high-capacity 48-volt lithium iron phosphate battery with a matched charger and mounting hardware. So, upgrading from lead-acid is straightforward even for do-it-yourself owners. The built-in battery management system supports high continuous and peak discharge currents, giving golf carts strong hill climbing performance and confident acceleration. Internal cell balancing works automatically during charging, which helps keep the pack healthy and extends usable life far beyond typical lead-acid options. The battery uses robust automotive-grade cells in a durable enclosure that resists water, impacts, and heat, making it well-suited to demanding golf course and utility use. Both a mobile application and a dedicated touch display are available for real-time monitoring, so you can easily keep an eye on charge level and system status while driving. With its deep cycle design and substantial energy capacity, the kit delivers dependable range for full rounds of golf and other daily cart duties without frequent recharging.